Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to export orders on WooCommerce. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have this one right here, this one order. Now if I want to actually export it, I don't have the options right now, but you can head over and scroll down until you can see the options right here for plugins. Click on this add new plugin. And then once you have done that, it will show you the plugin store of WordPress or WooCommerce right here. So let's click on this right here, and then let's search for export. Now let's search for this one. And then you can see in here some export options that you can choose from. You can choose this customizer export, export me library, but for this, let's choose this advanced order export for WooCommerce. So I've already installed it and it's now been active. Now, once I have done that, I can actually click on this extensions right here, or I can just head over and hover to that. And then from in here, I can see this option for export order. Now in here, this will direct me to the export order options for this one. You can choose a date range, orders range, file name, format, miscellaneous settings, and all of these things right here. Once you're done with that, click on this export option and should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.